I am Dr.M.Manickam, Department of Physics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a case study on nuclear power. So whether it is nuclear power is safe or not. So this is what we are going to discuss in this video. So the problem statement is already we know that nuclear power is the use of nuclear reactions to produce electricity. So this is the purpose we are using nuclear power. So nuclear power can be obtained from nuclear fission and fusion reactions. So presently the vast majority of electricity from nuclear power is produced by nuclear fission and fission of uranium and plutonium in nuclear power plants. So and it has some problems due to its radiations. So how we can overcome these problems? So what are all the methods are available? So what are all the advantages and disadvantages is there? So what is the solution for this particular problems? We will discuss further. So first of all, we should know what is nuclear power. So nuclear power means nuclear energy is a form of energy released from the nucleus, the core of atoms made up of protons and neutrons. So this source of energy can be produced in two ways. One is already we have discussed, that is fission, and another one is fusion reactions. So we can see the diagram here. So nuclear fission, that is, which means uranium atom is there, one neutron is hitting on the uranium, means what will happen, it will a large amount of atom is converted into two different lighter atoms and releasing massive energy, that is called nuclear fission reaction. The nuclear fusion reaction means, so two light atoms or deuterium and deuterium are combined together and form a new atom and releasing of massive energy and neutrons. So this is called a nuclear fusion reaction. So these two kind of reactions we are using in nuclear power plants. So nuclear power has both advantages and disadvantages is there. So there is the advantages are low greenhouse gas emissions. While comparing to the other method of preparing or producing electricity, so this method is less greenhouse effect is emitted from the planet. So next one, high energy density, which means nuclear energy has a very high energy density, meaning that a small amount of nuclear fuel can be produced and produce a large amount of energy. So especially in this method, nuclear power methods, the source is very less when compared to the source material is very less when compared to the other conventional methods. So next one, reliable power source. So nuclear power plants can provide a continuous and reliable source of electricity, unlike some renewable energy sources that depend on weather conditions. So these are all the some advantages. Then disadvantages of nuclear power, that is nuclear accidents. So mainly the most significant concern with the nuclear power is the potential for accidents, such as Chernobyl disaster in 1986 and the Fukushima Daiichi disaster in 2011. These incidents raised questions about the safety of nuclear power and its potential for catastrophic consequences. So nuclear accidents, how we can avoid these kind of accidents means, we have to follow the safety measures to build a power plant, so like nuclear power plants. So the maximum thickness of the wall and measure safety measures. List of safety measures is there, so we have to follow all the safety measures. So then only can avoid this kind of accidents, nuclear accidents. So why we have to reduce the accidents means, or completely reduce the accidents means, its consequences is very dangerous one. That's why we have to focus main on nuclear accidents. So next disadvantage, that is radioactive wastage. So once if you are build a safety um, nuclear plants means, then after the finishing of chain reaction, so there is some wastage, but that wastage also has are producing some radiations to the environment. It is more pollution to the environment, as well as environment and human also. So that is a very dangerous one. So this is the one of the disadvantage. Next one, nuclear proliferation. The spread of nuclear technology raises concerns about nuclear weapon proliferation. So there is a risk that nuclear materials could be used for weapons if not properly secured. So this is the another disadvantages. So next one, high initial cost. So we have to, when compared to other techniques of producing electricity, so in this method we have to pay higher cost to build the plant. So building a nuclear power plant involves a significant upfront cost, and construction process can be lengthy. So it's a clean energy, but there is these are all some disadvantages is there. So what are the safety measures we have to follow, or we have to implement in power plants means, that is improved technology here.